my name is Christina. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make mini hoop earrings. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and click that bell notification so you won't miss out on any content. And now, let's make earrings! This is the first earring I'm gonna make. This is a small hoop earring with a pink bead and some silver beads, and I used an ear stud on this one instead of a hook. First you have this big jump ring. You have to attach the silver beads on it. There you go. And now I have this small pink bead that I'm gonna put on, and this is a jump ring, by the way. It's quite thick, so I have a little trick for it. Put it on as long as I can. Then I take my flat nose plier and I'm gonna try to fit it into the hole there. Squeeze it together to make it fit. Whoops. It's always like this when you're going to show something on camera. It never works. Well, you get the idea of it. I've already made one, so you see what it looks like. Like this. Then I will put the jump ring on. Like that. And then we have the stud, like this. Then you close it. There you go. A nice pair of cute little pink small hoop earrings. There you go, small hoop earrings. And now I'm gonna make a different kind from the same jump ring. First I open it. And let's see, I have some silver beads. A little bit of a larger hole. You could have just one if you like to, but I chose to put on 3. And I'm going to close it. And have a jump ring. And this is just like a normal 4mm, I think it is. 3 or 4mm. Put your earring on. And then your little stud. Like that. And then you close it. Go. So here's the first pink pair, and you can of course choose any beads you like. And this is the silver one, like that. Small and cute. That was mini hoop earrings. The next time I will make a bigger project. I think it will be some sort of a necklace. And until then, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!